Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen, and I post life hack, DIY projects, and lifestyle vlogs every week. If you don't know this guy, this is Sharkbait. You'll be seeing a lot more of him. Today I'm going to show you how to transform your bedroom into a romantic, twinkling oasis for less than $20. All you're going to need are some fairy lights from Amazon, links in the description below, and either some command hooks or nails, screws, whatever you want to hang them up. If you haven't already, please take a second to hit those like, subscribe, and notify buttons because it really supports my channel and it makes Sharkbait really happy. Let's get started.
Okay, so the best way to go about this is to take your lights, always plug them in first and make sure that they work. The worst thing in the world is to put all these up and find out they don't work. Anyway, it's also nice to have them, keep them plugged in so that you know like what you have to work with. So these particular ones, they're on a string, and then the string itself, so there's string and then the lights hang in rows. Each of the strands, in this case, are wrapped up individually. Keep them like that. Do not unravel them or you will have a giant mess to deal with. The best way that I found to do it is to find the center and start with the center, because you don't want to start over here and start going and realize you only have enough room to make it halfway. So at least this way they'll be even if they don't cover the full length of the room. This string light has 10 rows of lights, so I counted 5 and 5, and I am starting right in the middle, so this should be front and center. I'm using nails. You can use command hooks, which is actually probably a better idea, but I'm cheap and lazy and these are what I had. I'm going to start unraveling the lights. So there is this little dial thing. It tells you the different settings. I personally like this one, which is the slow fade in, fade out. And you can see it kind of cuts the brightness in half because every other light is on at a time. What I like to do is, I don't particularly like having these in front, so you can shut your blinds in front of them to make it even softer and like have them peek behind it. So I will show you what that looks like on this side versus keeping the open side.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, share it, like it, post it. It all supports my channel. If you like how my room transformed throughout the process, you should check out my previous video. I will also leave a link in the description below or have some pop up here with the link, however that works. Until next week.